Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am so excited to be taking you on a walking tour of the stunning Porto Santo Golden Beach. One of the things that I love about Porto Santo Golden Beach is that it's never crowded. Even during peak season, you can always find a spot to relax and enjoy the breathtaking views. And because it's so vast, you can easily find a quiet corner to unwind and enjoy the sounds of nature. As we walk along the beach, you'll notice the stunning cliffs that surround the area. They provide a breathtaking view of the beach from above, and you can even hike to the top to take in the magnificent scenery. The crystal clear waters of Porto Santo Golden Beach are home to many species of fish and marine life, and snorkeling is a popular activity. You can explore the underwater world and discover an array of fish, including colorful parrotfish, brim, and even octopus. As our walking tour comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed this glimpse of Porto Santo Golden Beach. This beach is truly one of the most beautiful places that I've ever been to, and I highly recommend that you add it to your travel bucket list. Before we go, don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!